Did Godzilla change genders in Godzilla X Kong? Welcome to Kaiju Codex, Episode 1. On this video, we talk about the Gojira flux theory. Remember who your host is, GHJ, the funniest guy you ever heard. Now let's get into it. In my opinion, yes. I'm not saying MonsterVerse Godzilla has always been female. I'm saying he turned female from the anxiety of being the last of his kind and the amount of energy he took in Godzilla X Kong. You might be asking how he can change genders. And many species of lizards, like bearded dragons, can change genders when they absorb too much heat. As you notice, in 2014 Godzilla, he has a patch on his chest. He is much bulkier. Also, this is mainly about the chest. The chest has distinct scaling and coloring to it, which many lizards have a patch on their stomach to appeal to a mate or a female lizard. I mean, why couldn't Godzilla evolve to have horns like Kaijin from episode 12 of Yuchu, Keiji, Gavin? Like, why ain't bro representing the goat family? When Godzilla absorbed the energy from the glacier in Godzilla X Kong, he got slimmer, as you notice. His chest and hips are bigger compared to his body scale. We know this isn't what he looks like when he is malfed, because we saw a malfed Godzilla in Monarch Legacy of Monsters after his hibernation, meaning that evolution changed his genetic body with also changing his power scaling. If you notice on 2024 Godzilla, he kinda has a slit in between his legs. I don't know if this is canon or not, but I found a 3D model of 2024 Godzilla on Google. You could see that he has a slit and a bump on his tail, which I don't know if Godzilla's species of whale or whatever, but female whales have bumps on their tail, and the slit you see on Godzilla 2024 is called a cloaca. It's what female and male lizards have to reproduce. We don't know what Godzilla's species is. It says Titan, but King Kong is a Titan, but they're not the same species type. And we don't know how long it takes for the gojira species to grow fully mature. But we can see that a cousin of the gojira species, aka Doug from Godzilla X Kong, kinda looks like a bearded dragon with body shape. Doug is related to the gojira species. We don't know when, but its species split when the gojira species didn't have spikes, which odds are that means at the point Godzilla's species were omnivores rather than carnivores. That point, since Doug doesn't have spikes or atomic breath, meaning those evolve later in the Gojira evolution. Some lizards, such as the side blotch lizard, have blue females and gray or brown males during mating season, meaning that it's likely that when Godzilla absorbed the energy, it either activated a gender gene in his body, or he was always female, but it activated the gene that controls mating season. Because 2024 Godzilla was grayish black, And in Godzilla X Kong, he was bluish white or gray. Side blotch lizards, Yuta stansburiana, fits this pattern particularly during breeding season. Some females morphs exhibit blue coloration on their throats, while males are often brown or gray. Note that many other blue-bellied lizards, like the western fence lizard, it is the males that are blue. Some bearded dragons, like the Australian central bearded dragon, Pagona viceps, change genders from male to female when exposed to high temperatures, since they absorb heat through their skin. When Godzilla absorbed the world's largest stockpile of energy, could that have overridden his ZZ chromosomes, turning him into a female? So what do you think about the Gojira flux theory? In the comments. And this is GHJ out.